Harvey is communism, plain and simple. Harvey, Ben Fairfield and I grew up, we played ball together. I'm 12 years old, his daddy locked me in a jail cell that I'm now the sheriff over. Now, Pop Willoughby or any old bootlegger wants to come in for $5,000 in a paper sack on my desk so he can buy his wife, come to TV, whatever American family ought to have. Who am I to say otherwise?
There's a good chance he's already here.
Harvey, you need a haircut. Harvey, it looks like I'm just going to have to get mean. Just mad dog mean. I'm going to have to get mean, Harvey. Just mad dog mean. I was born and raised. Grew up here. What's the hurry, dude? This here car about run anything on the road, won't it? Motorcycle, police car, about anything on the road, won't it? Yeah. Only two things you're scared of? What's that? Women and the police. You spend all your time hassling them both, don't you? I know you will, dude. I know you will. You boys, take it easy in this here car, in this here county. You understand? Alright then.